Good morning, all of you. My name is Kamalakant Nath, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department at UJ Raukla. Today we will see how the multimeter can be operated. Means how we can measure different elements value by using multimeter. See, here is your digital multimeter. In this multimeter, there is a digital display screen, and this is your regulator switch. Around the regulator switch, there are different ranges available, and there are 4 holes. These holes are called jack. This is jack is called your voltage jack or ohm jack, and this is your common jack, and these two jacks are called current jack. When we measure voltage, then we will put the probe in this jack and in this jack. Okay. First we will see how the ranges are available here. See here, this range is your resistance range. That means when we measure resistance value, we will set this regulator switch in this range. This range is your DC voltage range. How we will know it is a DC? See, here is a symbol, the line symbol. This line symbol indicates this is your DC signal, and here it is written V. That means it is a voltage range. That means here when we will measure voltage, we will set this regulator switch in this range, and this range is your AC voltage range. For AC signal, there is a symbol like this, wave symbol, and V is written for voltage. And when we will measure AC voltage, we have to set this regulator switch in this range, and this range is your DC current range. Here it is written A means ampere, the unit of current is ampere, so we will set regulator switch in this range when we will measure DC current. Here it is seen that there is a line means it is DC signal, and this range is used for AC current range. When we will measure AC current, then we will set this regulator switch in this range. As I have told you, there are 4 jacks. When we will measure voltage, then the probe will connected to this. This probe should be positive probe, and the negative probe or common probe should be given to this. And when we will measure current, then we have to put the positive probe in this jack or in this jack. When we put the positive probe in this jack, then we will measure the maximum current rating up to 2 ampere. When we will measure the current rating above the 2 ampere, then we have to put the red probe in this jack, that is up to 10 ampere we can measure the current. Here in the digital multimeter, there is a switch, on off switch. If we will press upward, it will be off, and if we will press downward, it will be on. When it will be set as on switch, then there is a display of 1 in the digital display unit. Here 2 probes are there. One is red probe and another was a black probe. Red probe is taken as positive probe, and black probe is taken as negative probe or common probe. This will be connected to the common terminal, and this red will be connected to the this for voltage and resistance measurement. For this pin, that is black pin and red pin, we will put this pin where we have to measure voltage or resistance. Now we will start the experiment to measure the resistance value with multimeter. First you switch on the multimeter, and here you can see one display 1 is there. This is your positive probe and this is your negative probe. For resistance measurement, the positive and negative not required because the resistance have no polarity. So if we set this regulator switch in 200 ohm range, we will measure and see there is no display in the screen. Now you can see the resistance value is 216 ohm. We have set the regulator switch in 2K, so it is seen that 0.215 K means that is 215 ohm, मतलब 215 ohm. Now this is your analog multimeter. Here this is your analog display. In this display there is a pointer, you can see here. This is your pointer or needle, and the scales are there. There are different colors of scales. On the upper side there is a green scale, and after this there is your black scale and the red scales are there. Different measurements are obtained by different scales. Here one mirror is present here to reduce the parallax error. That means when we measuring the parameter, we have to see that the mirror image of the pointer and the pointer should be coincide with each other. Then at the coincide point, we have to take the reading of this analog multimeter. This is your regulator switch and this is your ranges of different parameters. Here it is written VDCV means DC voltage measurement. When we measure DC voltage, we have to put this selector switch in this range by rotating this regulator switch. Okay, and this is your current. Here it is written 500 mA means it is your current range. When we measure current, so we have to put the regulator switch in this range. In the right side there is a yellow color. This is your AC voltage measurement range. When we measure the AC voltage, we have to put this regulator switch in this range. And this is your resistance range means when we measure the resistance value, we have to put this regulator switch in this range. Okay. So here it is a green color switch or regulator. It is used to adjust the zero setting of this multimeter, and these holes are the jacks. When this is your common jack, here the black probe is connected. This is your voltage and resistance measurement jack. When we measure voltage value or resistance value, we will put the red probe in this jack, and when we measure current value, then the red probe is connected to this jack or this jack. If it is connected to this jack, that means it is written 500 milliampere. That means we can measure the current value up to 500 milliampere. After above this value we cannot measure by this jack. So we connect the red probe in this 10 ampere jack. That means up to 10 ampere we can measure the current value. Now we connect the red probe in this voltage and resistance jack, and the black probe is connected to the common jack. Now we will check the pointer is in zero value or not. See here, by connecting these two probes we can set zero value for this pointer. Now you can see the needle is not in your zero position, so you regulate this green switch, regulator zero adjustment switch, to move the pointer towards zero position. See, the zero position is set. After that we will measure the different parameters. See, this is around 250 ohm, which is seen in the scale.